Good morning, kids. I hope you all are fine. Welcome to the science class. Today we are going to study environmental studies looking around. Our today's topic is chapter number 5, Anita and the honeybees. We had already covered few topics of the chapter in previous part of the video. Today we are going to continue with the remaining part of the chapter. I hope you must be remembering that Anita Khushwaha is a girl star. She lives in Muzaffarpur, a district in Bihar. Girl Star is a project which tells extraordinary tales of ordinary girls who have changed their lives by going to school. In this chapter, we are learning about such girl whose name is Anita Khushwaha. Her parents did not send her to the school. I have told you that in that time, parents do consider that studies are not important for girls. But Anita was very curious to go to school. Also, her teacher came to her house to make her parents convinced that education is important for each and every child. Also, it is provided free by the government. We also discussed the reasons why children are not able to study till class 8. Because they do not have proper mode of transport. There is lack of proper schools. Also, there is lack of family income. So kids, now let us proceed with today's topic. That was in September. By December, I had so many bees that I had to buy 2 more boxes. I was still learning about beekeeping. Many times, the bees would sting me, and my hands and face would get swollen. It would pain a lot. How could I complain to anybody? I myself had decided to do this work, right? Now, as she was learning side by side, so it was a great fun for her. Although it used to give lot of pain to her, but she used to enjoy side by side because her work was her passion. And also, it was the work that she chose for herself. The lychee trees come to flower in February. I put all my 4 boxes near the lychee orchard. I got 12 kilograms of honey from each box. I sold this honey in the market. This was my first earning from my bees. Now I have 20 boxes. Now she was having 20 boxes of bees, and that means she was enjoying a lot. She was earning good amount of money, and it was great fun for her. Do you know, kids, what are the members and functions of bee group? There are 3 major members. Queen bee, who used to lay eggs. Worker bees, who used to collect honey and look after baby bee. Also, last member is male bee. They do not have any special role in the group. Every day I cycle to my college. My college is in the town, 5 kilometers away. When I go to college, my mother prepares the syrup for the bees. My father looks after the bees and take the honey out of the boxes. Now, you also know a lot about Anita, right? You all are aware who is Anita and also how much hard work she has done in her life. Anita is known by everyone in all the villages nearby. She goes to all the villages meeting and talks about how important it is for everyone to study. Sometimes people make fun of her, but Anita knows that what she wants to do. She does exactly what she wants to. Anita wants to become a wholesaler so that she can help the villagers to get right price for their honey. Okay, so how much inspiration Anita is giving to us, right? She is determined, hardworking, and helping hand. So we must apply these zealous quality in among us also. Every beehive has one queen bee that lay eggs. There are only few males in the hive. Most of the bees in the hive are worker bee. These bees work all the day. They make the hive and also look after the baby bees. They fly around flowers in search of nectar. They collect nectar from the flowers for honey. When one bee finds flower with nectar, it does a special kind of dance by which the other bees can know where the nectar is. The worker bees are very important for the hive. Without worker bees, there would be neither hive nor any nectar collection. All bees in the hive would go hungry. The male bees have no special role as a worker. So as I have already told you that there are three major categories of members in the bee group. One is queen bee who lay eggs. Second is worker bee. They are very important for the bee group because they find food for the bees. And male bees do not have any special role as a worker. Ants live and work together like honey bees. The queen ant lays the egg. The soldier ant looks after and guards the ant nest. Worker ants are always busy in looking for the food and bringing it to the nest. Termites and wasps also live like this. So quickly see who are the members and what are the functions of ant group. First one is queen ant who lay eggs. Soldier ant look after and guard the nest. And worker ants search for the food. So kids, after understanding chapter, it is time for activity. What activity we are going to do in this chapter? Let's check out. So, you have to find out things we can make from honey. For example, honey is added to soups. Also, many jams and jellies are made up of honey. In this way, from your real life, find out three things that are made from honey. Kids, now it's time to refer Science Dictionary. There are various new terms that we had learned in this chapter. Let's recall them one by one. First new term is beekeeping. Bee plus keep plus ing makes beekeeping. An occupation of owning and breeding bees for their honey is called beekeeping. Second is syrup. Syrup makes syrup, a sweet thick liquid made of sugar. Next term is beehives. Beehives. It makes beehives. A nest of for bees is called beehives. Next word is sting. To feel quick, sharp pain is called sting. Next word is orchard. A place where people grow fruits is called orchard. Next word is nectar. Sweet liquid of flowers is called nectar. Next word is wasp. Black and yellow flying insect is called wasp. So kids, I hope this chapter is clear to you. Thank you.